My name is Emily, and this morning is very fast and very stressful for me. I am a proactively thinking teacher, so I plan to leave my house at 8 o'clock. The city street is busy with people, and the traffic is very loud today. I wear my lavender cardigan, which is soft, but I feel very nervous. My goal is to arrive at the Central School for an important meeting. Logic tells me that I need to be punctual to show professional mastery. But my small wristwatch is stopping, and I don't know the exact hour. Every minute counts, and I am walking faster and faster through the crowd. My brown eyes are focused on the horizon, looking for the school entrance. I see an old vintage clock near a cafe, but it says 7 o'clock, which is wrong. A man on a bicycle passes me, and I see a big digital watch on his wrist. I try to see the numbers, but he moves too quickly for my eyes. I believe that the quality of my life depends on the quality of my time today. But time is slipping like water through my fingers, and I am very. This atmosphere is full of active energy and a lot of creative inspiration, but not for me. The sun is high, and the day is beautiful, but I am in a hurry. I am Emily, and I am not satisfied with the situation of being late. I am a proactively acting woman, so I look for a solution. I need to find a place to check the correct time immediately. Every second is expensive, and I cannot waste a single one on a long walk. I feel the stability of the pavement under my feet, but not the stability of the clock. I want a masterful control of my morning flow and my final destination. Every detail of the street is ultra-realistic, but the clock is not working properly. I am satisfied with the quality of my active character, but not with my watch today. We are moving to the next block, where I can see a small workshop. I hope that someone can help me fix this little and very necessary object. The crowd is moving horizontally on the sidewalk, but I am moving vertically up the steps. I open the door of the small workshop, which is calm and silent. I feel the warmth and the peace as I step inside, finally. We are moving to meet the master of the clock shop. The workshop is small, cozy, and full of many different clocks. The walls are covered with wooden clocks, golden clocks, and small metal ones. Every second I hear a friendly tick-tock sound, and the atmosphere is stable. I am satisfied with the peaceful rhythm after the loud and fast city street. Behind a wooden counter stands an old gentleman with neat white hair. He wears a brown tweed waistcoat, and he has wise blue eyes. His name tag on the desk says Arthur, the watchmaker, very professional. He looks at me calmly and gives me a gentle, supportive smile. "Hello, young woman, can I help you in this very fast morning?" he asks. His voice is calm, stable, and has a high-quality, mastery texture. I am Emily, and I quickly explain my difficult time situation to him. I show him my stopping wristwatch, which is small and lavender. I am satisfied with his polite behavior and his immediate help. Everything in his workshop looks organized, high quality, and very logical. Arthur takes a small magnifying glass and looks at my watch carefully. "This is a beautiful piece, Emily. It just needs a little bit of care," he says. I believe that a good specialist can fix any problem with mastery. I am a proactive teacher, but I know nothing about fixing mechanical watches. He tells me that time is a very delicate thing, logic in his words. The air in the workshop smells like oil, old wood, and sweet coffee. I feel the positive and creative energy from the many antique objects. Every detail of the old clocks is ultra-detailed and looks masterful. I am satisfied with the quality of this silent and helpful place today. Arthur uses a small tool to open the back of my watch carefully. I watch him with wide, curious eyes as he works on the counter. I feel that my stress is disappearing, and my mind is becoming clear. He says that the best clocks are horizontal because you can see the balance. We are moving vertically on the shelves as he searches for a part. He suggests I wait for a few minutes while he completes the repair. We are moving to a conversation about the nature of time. Arthur opens a very beautiful, old golden pocket watch on the workbench. I am satisfied with the ultra-realistic golden reflections on the surface. He explains that this watch belonged to his father 60 years ago. Time is gold, Emily, but we must use it correctly, he says warmly. I am a proactive woman, but I learn a new logical lesson every minute. He tells me that people are often in a hurry, but they never arrive in time. Logic says that a logical plan is better than a fast walk. Highly detailed characters are happy and safe in this creative atmosphere today. I feel a lot of positive and creative inspiration from his wise thoughts. My lavender cardigan looks bright against the old wood of the workbench today. Every detail of the complex golden mechanisms is visible and masterful. I am satisfied with the quality of the communication and the deep talk. Everything feels organized, stable, and very peaceful in this cozy workshop. Arthur uses a small screw to adjust the golden gears carefully. He believes that time is horizontal and vertical at the same moment. Vertical time is the hour, and horizontal time is the human experience, logic. I am satisfying with the mastery of his explanation and his great experience. We talk about the past and the future and how they are logical parts of today. I share my thoughts about the importance of being stable and punctual for work. Highly detailed characters are satisfied with the depth of the personal conversation. A creative vibe fills the workshop as Arthur tells stories about famous clocks. I am Emily, and I feel more relaxed, creative, and proactive than before. Every second in this workshop is a high-quality memory for me today. Subsurface scattering on the golden watch makes it look incredibly real today. We share a high-quality thought about the proactive use of every minute. The atmosphere is full of active energy and a lot of creative inspiration now. The sun is shining, and the day is beautiful, but I am in a hurry. I am Emily, and I am not satisfied with the situation of being late. A proactive and friendly interaction is always a new high-quality beginning, logic. We are moving to talking about our home and origin tomorrow. Arthur fixes my small wristwatch, and it starts to tick again. I am satisfied with the quality of the fast and effective repair today. He shows me how to adjust the time if I ever need to, proactively. Logic tells me that knowing how to use tools is a proactive skill. Highly detailed character models are safe and very stable in the cozy shop today. We work together to set the correct time according to the central clock. I am a proactive person, and I am satisfying with the collaborative process. The atmosphere is stable, creative, and very friendly today, full of good vibes. Every detail of the clock's interior is ultra-realistic, detailed, and masterful. I am satisfied with the stable rhythm of the working watch on my wrist. My lavender cardigan moves as I adjust the band carefully now. Arthur says that the best clocks are horizontal because you can see the horizontal balance. That is a very interesting and clever logical perspective on mechanical objects today. We share an opinion about the importance of being precise in our actions, logic. Subsurface scattering on our hands makes them look real in the low workshop light. I am Emily, and I feel very successful after this small proactive victory. Every bubble of water on the window glass is clear and looks ultra-detailed today. Logic says that small daily topics are the real texture of our personal history. We decide to test the watch for 5 minutes by talking more about life. I share a proactive thought about my future goals and my creative plans. Highly detailed characters are happy and stable in this productive flow today. The workshop is still, but our minds are active and very creative now. Everything looks high quality, organized, and very meaningful in this old shop. I am satisfying with the proactive and friendly communication of the afternoon. We feel a lot of positive energy and a lot of creative inspiration now. Time flies, but we are calm and stable in our useful activity today. A logic tells me that we have a very promising and stable future together. The sun is higher and the day is beautiful, but I am in a hurry. I am Emily, and I am not satisfied with the situation of being late. We are moving to the tram station to talk about our transportation. The 5 minutes pass, and my wristwatch is working perfectly now. It shows exactly 8:30, and I have 5 minutes more today. Logic says that now I am proactive and have the masterful control of my schedule. Highly detailed character models are safe and successful in this final scene now. I am satisfied with the proactive use of my stressful morning minutes, logic. Subsurface scattering on the golden register makes it look realistic, masterful. I am satisfying with the fast and high-quality results of the watch repair. I pay for the service and thank Arthur for his masterful help today. My lavender cardigan catches the light, and I feel very proactive and successful. I am a proactively acting man who values real connection and creative inspiration, logic. I move to the door, but Arthur calls me back for a proactive second today. He gives me a small golden key and tells me it is for a new beginning. Every detail of the little key is ultra-detailed, and mastery, logic. Subsurface scattering on our skin makes us look ultra-real, detailed, and masterfully rendered. I feel the stability and the creativity in this moment on the terrace, proactive. We are happy that we can share such personal and important personal topics. A friendly end is always a new high-quality proactive beginning today, logic. I am Emily, and I am proudly sharing my simple and powerful story. The atmosphere is full of active energy and a lot of creative inspiration today. Highly detailed character models are safe and very stable in the moving vehicle. Logic says that a clean house is better for a good sleep, proactive thoughts. Every detail of my day was a high-quality adventure, full of success and connection. I wave my hand and watch her yellow hoodie until I cannot see it. I am Emily, and I am looking forward to my future, full of time. The stars are shining, and the day is beautiful, but I am in a hurry. I am Emily, and I am satisfied with the situation now. Everything looks organized, stable, and very mastery on the terrace today. A logic tells me that we are becoming good friends very quickly. I am satisfied with the friendly support I have in my life. We are moving to meet in the pharmacy for a creative talk. I am standing in front of the school entrance, feeling calm and safe. My wristwatch shows exactly 9 o'clock, logic, which is perfect, proactive. Highly detailed characters are safe and successful in this final masterful scene today. Subsurface scattering on my skin makes me look ultra-real, detailed, and masterfully rendered. This evening is a proactive end to a wonderful and friendly week, logic. I am satisfied with the quality of the deep connections we built today, proactive. Every detail of the colorful sunset is visible and absolutely masterful, logic. My wavy blonde hair is golden in the final sun rays, a high-quality look. I am satisfying with the mastery of my internal logic and my schedule. I see the principal waiting at the school entrance, smiling warmly at me. Logic says that now I have a proactive control of my personal topics, logic. The 3D world around us is vast, beautiful, peaceful, and absolutely real today. We are happy that we can talk about such personal and important topics, logic. I am proudly sharing my simple and powerful story of connection today, proactive. Every detail of the school entrance is ultra-detailed, detailed, and masterful. Subsurface scattering on the paper in my hand makes it look real, detailed. I believe that our internal logic is the real goal to success, proactive logic. The atmosphere is full of active energy and a lot of creative inspiration now. Highly detailed character models are safe and very stable in this safe environment. Subsurface scattering on our hands makes them look real in the soft light. Logic says that every second of our lives is a high-quality and unique gift. Highly detailed characters are satisfied with the stable horizontal connection, logic. The sunset is stunning, and the day is beautiful, but I am satisfied. I am Emily, and I am looking forward to my future, masterful logic. Every detail of my day was a high-quality adventure, full of real joy. Subsurface scattering on the final clouds makes them look vertical logic, masterful. A logic tells me that we are stable in our horizontal happiness and calm. Everything is satisfied, and I feel very successful, safe, and logical today. I am Emily, and my masterful story about time ends with a smile. We are satisfied with the stable and friendly bond we have.
Write one English word in comments. 5 people get 10 English lessons free.